Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Kia Sorento has arrived, and it's not just another SUV refresh, it's a bold statement from Kia that premium luxury, advanced technology, and everyday practicality can exist in one stunning package, and the moment you lay eyes on it, you instantly realize this is something special. The exterior design feels sharper and more confident with a commanding front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body that gives it a true road presence. It looks expensive, and honestly, it feels like Kia is directly challenging high-end European rivals with this design alone. Step inside and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin is where the Sorento truly shines with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a massive curved digital display that seamlessly blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one futuristic panel. Everything feels driver-focused yet incredibly comfortable for passengers, and the seating is nothing short of first class with ventilated and heated seats, premium leather upholstery, and enough space across all three rows to keep everyone relaxed on long journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Sorento offers multiple powertrain options, including a refined turbocharged engine and a highly efficient hybrid variant, giving buyers the flexibility to choose between performance and fuel economy. And no matter which option you go for, the driving experience is smooth, quiet, and confident. The suspension has been tuned to absorb road imperfections effortlessly while still maintaining stability at higher speeds, making it perfect for both city driving and highway cruising. And when it comes to technology, this SUV is packed with features that make every drive smarter and safer. From advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, to a cutting-edge infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a premium sound system that turns your favorite music into a concert-like experience. The Sorento also introduces next-level convenience with features like a digital key, remote parking assist, and over-the-air updates, ensuring your SUV stays modern long after you drive it off the lot. Practicality is another area where the Sorento dominates, with flexible seating configurations, generous cargo space, and smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. It's designed to handle everything from daily commutes to family road trips without compromise. And if you're someone who enjoys a bit of adventure, the available all-wheel drive system and multiple terrain modes make it capable enough to tackle rough roads and challenging conditions with ease. Safety has always been a priority for Kia, and the 2026 Sorento takes it even further with enhanced crash protection, improved structural rigidity, and a full suite of intelligent safety technologies that work together to keep you and your passengers protected at all times. What truly sets this SUV apart though is how it balances luxury and value. Because while it offers features and refinement that rival much more expensive vehicles, it still comes in at a price point that makes it incredibly attractive in the super premium SUV segment, and that combination is exactly what makes the Sorento such a strong contender in today's competitive market. Whether you're looking for a stylish family SUV, a comfortable daily driver, or a tech-loaded road trip companion, the 2026 Kia Sorento delivers on every front. It's bold, it's smart, and it's built for the future. And once you experience it, you'll understand why this SUV is turning heads and setting new standards. So if you're thinking about upgrading your ride, this might just be the SUV that checks every box and then goes beyond expectations in ways you didn't even know you needed. Well, see you next video.